Hi Vikas, so let's see your composition. It's a PDF file. I'm not able to invert it, but let's see it the way it is. So I think it's a good design in terms of selection of shapes, in terms of adding variety, and in terms of choosing color scheme. Overall, I think you did an excellent job with the design pattern you have here, and also how these organic shapes are leaning towards the focal point. Two issues that I have is there are two focal points basically in this art. One is this big yellow shape, kite-like shape, and the second one is this leaf, right? Because yellow is not repeated anywhere on the surface. Thus, this is a unique color. Again, it's a unique shape, and it is a bigger. It's a bigger shape comparison, or the biggest shape if I take this as whole in comparison to all the other shapes. The second is the leaf, which is again a unique shape and it has textures on it. Okay, now what I want you to do is keep your thumb on the leaf and look at the entire picture as one. So when I hide this leaf, I feel it's a beautiful composition. This leaf is not needed here. Now what you can do more to make this composition, like these two parts, the background and the center portion or the focal part, more attractive, is on these organic shapes here. So completely forget this green leaf, and these organic shapes you can repeat one color from the background in each of these shapes. Like this could be this blue, this could be this red, and this could be either the light blue or the pink or the black. So that way what you are doing is you are merging this yellow shape with the background. So as if the background is coming out of the yellow shape, it is overlapping the yellow shape, and that will make this design very beautiful design and will add a lot of engaging elements on it. So good. Now talking about the coloring part, I think you did a good job. You can still improve, but overall appearance, it's satisfying. The painting technique or the thickness of the color, you can just increase it by a bit more and try to finish off. Like I think you did the outline first and then you filled the inside color. That's why I could read the outline and then the center part. Now what you can do is, if you are starting from here, just finish this part, and then come back and finish this if your painting speed is slow. If you're if you're painting, the main target should be to increase your painting speed so that you don't get these patches. The color is uniformly spread, and that can happen only when you work wet on wet. So if the border was wet and while filling I could actually merge in the color inside. So either try to paint fast or work from like one side towards the other side instead of doing an outline. In my videos, my speed is really fast when it comes to doing art. Doesn't matter what kind of art I'm doing, but I tend to finish the drawings usually or painting process really far in a very short time. And actually that happened over the time with lots of practice, and once you gain confidence with handling of the brush and all, it comes slowly. So try to achieve that. But overall, I think excellent design.